What's up, y'all? JSB the Creator. I'm back again with a new creation today for y'all. Happy New Year. It's 2021, and we're going to start off 2021 with a bang. I got a new look. I done switched up my hairstyle. You know what they say, new year, new me. So, what y'all boys think? You know what I'm saying? I got the waves going. I got them cooking. You see them waves. I know y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, let's get to the video. So I'm gonna be working on a pair of What's up, y'all? Welcome to 2021, and I know it's getting off to a little rocky start here to begin the year off.
I got maced.
You got maced? And what happened? You were trying to go inside the Capitol?
Yeah, I made it like a foot inside.
And why did you want to go in?
We're storming the Capitol. It's a revolution.
All right, aside from all that, we still gonna try and go hard this year, all right? So today's video, I'm gonna be learning how to stop doing this right here. And then aside from that, I'm also gonna be working on a pair of Lebron 7s, all right? I've been working on a lot of Lebrons lately. You're gonna keep hearing me say that for a little minute, because right now, people have been enjoying the Lebrons that I've been doing as of late. So I've been getting a lot of LeBron requests. You know, they calling me LeBron God in these streets, you know.
Said no one.
But nah, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. You know what I mean? And so I got to deliver. And today's LeBron I'm going to be working on is a pair of LeBron 7. We're going to be hitting it with another Media Day colorway. But this time, we're not doing the Miami Media Day colorway. We're taking it a little bit up north. And we're doing the Atlanta Hawks Media Day colorway.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna be hitting it with an old school Atlanta Hawks colorway. You know, the old Dominique Wilkins, you know, human highlight reel back in them days.
Dominique on the break as a dart.
Type, you know what I mean? So it's gonna be that red, that yellow, and we're gonna make it do what it do, because that's what we do. That's all we know. So let's get it popping. First shoe of 2021. Let's go.
I laid in the bed last night.
Your Highness.
I had a dream that touched me deep down inside. Oh, yes, I did. Oh. I felt like I want to tell the whole world about it. dream that touched me deep down inside. Oh, yes, I did. Oh.
Once again, guys, thanks for checking out today's video on these ATL Atlanta Hawk Media Day LeBron 7s, man. Like the client said, man, they wanted that old school Atlanta Hawks, you know what I mean? That Dominique Wilkins human highlight reel ATL 404 type look. And so I executed on that. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, man. And I'm coming hard with the LeBrons this year. I got a couple other projects on the way, but we gonna keep that on the shh. But other than that, y'all enjoy y'all day. Enjoy 2021. You know, we started off with a little fumble, but we not gonna keep the year going in this direction. At least I hope it's not a repeat of 2020 part 2. But you know, we'll see. But the year is still fresh. The year is still young. Y'all get to it. Get to the grind. Get to your hustle and secure the bag this year. That's what we're gonna try to do. So y'all enjoy y'all day, week, or whatever it is. I don't know what to say. I'm just rambling now. So peace. Time to leave.